Hi guys! So for today's video, I just want to share itong bagong ref na nabili namin and it's the Sharp J-Tech inverter. So we got the 11 cubic and actually, yung total gross volume niya is only 10.8 and yung storage niya naman is only 10.1. So I think siguro ni-round off na lang nila sa 10.8 kaya naging 11 cubic siya. But to be honest, halos magkapareho lang talaga sila ng height ni 11 cubic. I mean, nung 9 cubic. Pero mas malapad to ng konti sa 11 cubic and also one of the reason why we chose to go with 11 kasi mas spacious yung vegetable container nito compared kay 9 cubic. So sa part na to is chine-check ko lang yung serial number kasi sa appliance center na pinabilhan namin, only one stock left na lang sila sa 11 cubic. At yon ay yung display na lang. So nag-request ako, sabi ko na gusto ko sana yung nakasealed pa sa box. Well, I am actually very thankful sa kanila kasi they were able to accommodate as well. So yung ginawa nila is nag-order na lang sila ng ibang 11 cubic sa kanilang other branch at dineliver na lang kaagad sa bahay namin. So I want to thank Solid Mark. Thank you very much for accommodating as well. I just want to share some simple tips for you guys. So dapat be a wise consumer tayo dito. After ma-deliver ng ref sa inyo, don't forget, always check talaga for dents or scratches. And also sa loob na part or sa storage area, check nyo rin if meron siyang mga cracks or yung mga missing shelves. Even yung thermostat or yung ano ba tawag yung thermostat controller, check nyo rin if gumagana ba or nagagalaw nyo ba talaga. And just in case, if you're not satisfied sa unit na dineliver nila sa inyo, if I'm not mistaken, you can ask for or you can request for a return and then ask for another unit na lang. Thank you for watching this video and I hope na-enjoy nyo ang inyong panonood. And if ever you have any questions or comments about this ref or maybe you're also planning to buy one, the same model, so usap na lang tayo sa comment section down below. Have a great day. See you sa next video.